You know, if I absolutely had to pick, I would say I'm a GM guy, but there's no denying the 69 Mustang Fastback is one of the best looking designs of all time. And this one here is extra special with the silver jade color. It's an S code 390. There's a Tremec 5-speed in there, and this has been treated to a rotisserie restoration. Go to volocars.com. You'll find over 200 collector cars, all for sale. Each one will have the monthly payment and the price tag, including this one right here, along with videos, pictures, description, financing. There's a QR code on your screen and a link in the description. Either one of those will bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, real nice restoration. It's been done probably 15 years or so, and it looks amazing. All straight, clean, not dented, not wavy. You got the scooped hood and just great body contours and lines. And a color like this really picks up the contours. Really, really like this. All straight, fits beautifully, smooth all the way to the bottom. That's the advantage of a car that's been restored a while. You know it's done right, it's going to hold up very well. Coming up the pillars, and the roof is all real nice. This quarter panels here are excellent. Door opens easily. Door jamb is very nice. Oh, I barely did it. I didn't think it was going to close. You got the scoops in the quarter panel, all straight. The end caps all fit nicely. All this is square and clean, smooth, all looking very nice. This is all looking great. Look at the quarter panel. Look at the reflection. You can see my hand behind the tire. Even underneath is smooth and clean metal. There is a chip in the paint right here. We'll get that touched up, but remind the salesman. Door fits beautifully. Jams are real nice. I mentioned things like that in the video. We'll touch that up. And then, of course, the video's done. I forget. So if you buy the car, tell him Jay said to touch that up. Uh, Fenders, the body is really, really nice. Repainted its original colors, documented with the Marty report. So they have the blackout hood treatment. That's so you didn't get reflection in your eyes. That's what race cars did. This one here is done in the gloss black. I think that looks much nicer. It's easier to maintain as well. And then it looks like the trim, all that was replaced when they restored the car. It all looks nice, fits nice. You have the front spoiler. Windshield's crystal clear. It's been replaced. Antenna's replaced. All the trim is very nice. It looks like they replaced all of it or most of it. Oh, it looks very fresh. The side stripes are decals and they're reflective. At night, when headlights hit that, it lights up like you turned a switch on. Also has the rear louvers and a rear spoiler. So you took an already beautiful car, really maxed out its potential. Those are original Magnum 500s. So they're shiny, they look great. They don't have the brilliance of a brand new set of wheels, but they are originals. Cooper tires look to be in excellent shape. This is a reflective sticker, and all this back here is looking really good as well. So really hot looking car. Let's open it up. Check out the rest of it. All right, let's see what we got in the trunk of this Mach 1. It stays up by itself, even with the weight of the spoiler. There's even a trunk light that works. You got the stickers. It's all painted very nicely. The jam's painted real nice. The seams are all nice and clean. Weather strip is replaced. So the whole inside of the trunk compartment is painted the body color. And then you have the plaid mat with the matching cover over a spare tire. And this has the fold-down rear seat, so that also includes that compartment that opens up. I always say you can haul skis or 2x4s. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. So the jams are nice. Bottom of the door is clean. Weather strips were replaced and fit very nicely. This has the deluxe interior, and that includes the molded door panels, which have working interior lights there. And then coming into the dash pad's been replaced, and this is all very clean. All the wood grain, the lenses, factory gauges, all very nice and proper. And we've got a Mustang retro stereo right in the factory spot. And again, all clean, all proper. We have a clock that's right twice a day. All this is very clean, all the plastic trim, carpet front to back's real nice, has embroidered mats, and it was upgraded to a Tremec 5-speed. This is a Hurst shifter. Has original seat belts front and back. Console itself looks like it might have been replaced. It's in really nice shape. So the seats have been re-cushioned and reupholstered. Part of the deluxe interior is the high back deluxe seats. I don't know where there we go. So back here, again, the carpet's nice. Carpet on top of the seat, all the chrome hinges, all the plastic trim all around is real nice. And then you can see, now it's a 4-seater. That's what they call 2+2. You have 2, and now you have 2 more. You see it's all upholstered and everything just nice, clean, tidy. No speaker holes drilled, nothing like that. Working interior lights. Real nice headliner. Matching visors. Original mirrors, a little cloudy. And it looks like the steering wheel's been restored. That looks to be in really great shape. So I'm going to say this is a very, very nice interior. Comfortable too. And this is the S code, meaning the S in the VIN number. That designates the motor. This is a 390 car. It is an October engine, and then it's October build on the car, so it is a correct motor. Runs strong. It is dressed up very nicely with the finned air cleaner and valve covers. Upgraded Holley carburetor under there with electric choke. Other than that, it all looks stock. The manifolds. And then the engine bay is nice. All nice, clean, smooth metal. Painted black. It has the decals and markings. Battery secured. Has the horns. Again, everything's proper. You got the flap, the right cap and shroud and reproduction hose and clamps. Pulleys, brackets, all look great. It has power steering and it has power brakes. It has new fender bolts. Underside of the hood's painted real nice. Quarters are hooked up. It's very nice, clean, complete motor compartment. Michael's going to show you how it runs. See in a few minutes. Well, first we got to go over to the documents desk. Almost forgot. So it will come with the owner's manual. Here's the Marty report showing it was a Mach 1 in these colors. This car sold at Monterey Mecum back in 2014. It's a pretty exclusive auction. That'll go with it. It comes with 1 set of keys. This has to do with the cam, an owner's manual for the radio. All right, now Michael's going to take you for a drive.
Loving the way it feels and it's running. Got a 5-speed manual here too. That was a very thoughtful upgrade. Really nice and clean through the downshifts there. This is just awesome. These Mach 1s really are some of my favorites. Let's see what she's got. Alright. Now we're doing like 65 miles an hour already. That didn't take long. But yeah, it's got a very original feel to it. And that's just fantastic. But fresh, of course. Definitely check out pictures pictures of the undercarriage. They did a great job here. Take it for a test drive yourself, contact our sales team and they'll be happy to help you. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So it sure looks like it was on a rotisserie. The bottom of this car has pristine metal. I said it's as dry as a chalkboard in a desert, not the dentist. And it's sprayed in the primer. That's how they would have left the factory. And it's just nice, clean, smooth metal. You can tell, again, it's been 10, 15 years, but all the suspension, steering, that was all rebuilt, replaced. These come with the competition suspension. It has a nice dual exhaust with the crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers, the quad tips going out through the lower valance. Fuel system was replaced. The tank is still shiny. The brake system was redone, disc in front, drum in back. And we do go through our cars. It went through the shop before coming in here. Things were inspected. It was test driven. Looking up at the motor, it's clean Ford blue. It has, again, the upgraded transmission. It's now a 5-speed Tremec that's very desirable. You get to shift some gears and you put it in fifth and just cruise down the highway. So it has a custom drive shaft leading back to the original rear end, still has the tag on it, with 325 Traction-Lok gears. So there you have it, a pretty special Mach 1. The photographer who just shot the car, he told me 3 times how he just loves the color, and so do a lot of other people. Here's a good one right here. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions like how to get your S-Code Mach 1 delivered home. Thanks for watching.